In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Clipchamp Video Editor. So the first thing you want to do is open up Clipchamp and then select over here where it says create a new video. Now we can also create one with AI, but for this video, we're going to just create a new one. You click on this, and as you can see, this is now the editor that you're located in. And what you then want to do to add text is go down here to where it says text, and then click on plain text and this little plus icon over here. Now you can also choose any one of these, so you have a typewriter effect or a circular, groovy, fireworks, and etc. But I'm going to show you how to use the normal text, but it's the exact same procedure for every single one of these over here, okay? So you click on this plus, and as you can see, it's added into your timeline, and you can add your text over here. So you simply double click and type in whatever you want to type in. Let's say I want to just say hello. And then once you got that done, you want to click up here where it says text on the right hand side. And then you can click on select all. It will select the entire text on your screen. And you can then play around with different things. So you can simply select which font you like. So let's say I want this one, Alpha Slab 1. There we go. You can select font style. In this case, only normal is available. You can select font sizes. There we go. As you can see, you can adjust it accordingly. You can adjust it the way you want. You can align it to the right, middle, or left as you wish. You can make it bold or italic if you want to, and you can change the color of text. There we go. And then you can position it on top, bottom, left, right, or corners and in the center. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you add text in Clipchamp, and I hope this video helped you out.